Learning decays with distance. Distance slows learning. The farther leaders move away from the work, the easier it becomes to manage assumptions instead of reality. Information becomes filtered. Bad news gets softened. Small frustrations disappear before the senior leader really hears what's going on. The result isn't dishonesty, it's distance. My leadership lesson today. Leadership isn't measured by how much you know in your office. It's measured by how much you're willing to learn from your people closest to the work. Curiosity closes distance. My leadership challenge for you this week. Schedule one conversation with someone 2 or 3 levels down from you. Ask what leaders should know but rarely hear. Until next time, this is David Sarkus, the safety coach. Stay close to the action, stay connected, and stay committed to making your workplace a safer one.